Check it. Refusing to stutter. Like a leader, follow me on flow. I'm aiming like an arrow. You so-called rappers supposedly rapping. You might be funnier than Will Ferrell. I come to exert for what is worth. Bringing more shivering than the temperature of snow. On flow, I'm here to bring rainy day. Damn, like a rainy day on the soak. I don't think you're ready for the flow. I'm going like a green light just told me to go. Yo, I might just go pig. No, I might just go buffalo. Viciously and maliciously, I don't think you're ready for me. I'm here to burn worse than third degree. Yo, I'm here to dismember. Watch me dismember. I'm colder than that month you call December. Watch me dismember. I don't think you're ready. You're gonna be my member. Something that you need to remember. Something that you're not going to take lightly. I'm causing friction to make them listen. Cause a collision. I'm causing friction. I don't think you're ready for them to listen. I think I'm causing suspension. Y'all calling it expel. You ready for this? Leave you swell. Password of expel. You don't want it to be suspended. Watch it be ended. Terminated. Descended. Think you're ready for me. But like the metal, you're going to be ended. Bend it. Y'all, I'm on that type of stuff to make the metal bend. As I should have mentioned before, watch you be descend. Watch you be in. And watch me end this. Yo, I'm the type of person that you will not call your friend. I'm a weirdo. Nobody wants to pay attention to. I'm the weirdo nobody even wants to listen to. I'm the type of person that you never heard of me, but I'm here to burn you worse than third degree. Hungry hippo on float. Hippopotamus, will you be stopping this? No. You say that I'm not dope. Well, that's okay though. That's called an opinion. Look at me in the battle. I might not so-called be winning. Supposedly might not be winning. Might even be knocking out. Else your opinion might not be knocking out. I want to punch on 1-2 punch on the flow. Let you know. Go on like the green light just told me go. As I said before. But it's supposed to be a 4. It's supposed to be B4. I'm the type of person that you cannot ignore it. If you do try to ignore it, watch me pull it through. Watch me come from the core. Let you all know I'm the type of ish that you can't ignore. Bagging ish up. Like you wanted more from the grocery store? Come on now, you haven't even enough stamps. Then watch you stamp on this ish. Put the light over you like a lamp. As this lamp is behind me. Yo, this type of ish is rectangle. Rectangle as the position that this video record me. Record me. Allowing me to record from. Watch me wrap around you like a record. Wrap around you like a cord. Record. And then watch me record. Watch me record. And watch me record. And watch me restore. Breaking you more coming from the core to cause a collision.